with its permission, of course, this is
Yes.
related to Secretary DBM. What do you propose that Congress should do to address this problem? Because definitely these are major red flags. We counted. Yesterday we were discussing this with the chairman, Senator Gatchalian, and we counted from NCR to Region 3 alone. Flood control management 1. Nasa mga 500 items. Yung exact amounts, similar amounts of 75 million each, 100 million each, 120 million each, 150 million each. Red flag po ito eh. So I'd like to propose that by your leave, Mr. Chairman, that we should schedule an executive session. Way forward po ito. Kasi with your guidance, we are willing to amend and delete all these similarly parang costed projects, yung similar cost, but we want to know ano yung direction ng national government, saan namin dadalhin if we delete all these items. Kasi yung huling bilang namin, yung 100 items, 373 items na tigwa 100 million, that's already 37.3 billion. So as of our initial count, nasa mga 50 billion pesos na yung pare-pareho, yung red flag. So maybe, Mr. Chairman, we can schedule an executive session para i-guide nila tayo ng executive branch kasi they cannot do anything about this anymore. We're already in the authorization phase of the budget process. Tapos na yung preparation phase eh. Ngayon, para i-allow namin kayo makialam ng konti, at least you can give us the proper guidance or direction. Kung i-delete namin lahat itong red flag na ito na mga items, saan namin dadalhin? Para naka-align doon sa inyong direction under the PDP, medium term. Okay?
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, we agree po. Actually, we already had initial talks with the chairman. As that, alam na po niya.
Yung similar.
Yes po.
Nagulat din kami kahapon nung pinakita niya yung iPad niya. Hindi matapos-tapos siya pang scroll sa dami.
Apo.
Thank you.
And then maybe may iba pa pong makikita si Secretary Vince because Secretary Vince is already investigating ito pong mga doble-doble, pare-parehong pangalan. We will sit, I think today po, kakausapin niya yung mga senior officers niya. And then we'll meet tomorrow and hopefully in the next week po siguro meron na siyang report which he can share po to the committee.
Mr. Chairman, Madam Secretary, pag yung mga contractors have invaded the House of Representatives and congressmen have invaded the contractor construction business, ito po yung outcome. Kasi NEP pa lang, pinapayagan na sila ng DPWH to make insertions. Ang tama po sa atin dito, hindi po isang WAMI, hindi double WAMI, hindi triple WAMI, quadruple WAMI. NEP may insertion. House Gov may insertion, Senate version may insertion, BICAM may insertion, quadruple WAMI po ang tama ng Pilipino rito, if you agree.
We agree po,
Yeah,
definitely po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Chair.
And Senator Tulfo, maraming salamat.
Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, additional